You probably carry both in your wallet. But do you really know when to use each? Debit or credit card? The choice you make every day can shape your finances more than you think. Paying with a debit card means the money leaves your bank account instantly. Using a credit card, on the other hand, is like borrowing from the bank. You spend now and settle the bill later. Because a debit card draws directly from your own money, it sets a natural spending limit. You can't spend more than what's in your account. That makes it a simple, stress-free way to stay on budget without overthinking. Credit cards work differently. Because the money doesn't leave your account right away, it's easy to spend beyond what you can truly afford. And if you're not careful, that end-of-month bill can come as a nasty surprise. Today, both debit and credit cards are accepted almost everywhere. But credit cards hold a slight advantage, especially for online shopping, hotel reservations, and car rentals, where deposit holds are common. Debit cards, meanwhile, are ideal for everyday purchases and quick cash withdrawals. Let's talk about mobile wallets, apps like Apple Pay, Google Pay, and Samsung Pay. You can link both your debit and credit cards, then pay with a simple tap of your phone. It's fast, effortless, and your actual card number stays hidden from the store. When you link a debit card to your mobile wallet, payments still come straight from your bank account. Link a credit card instead, and you unlock all the perks of credit like rewards and stronger fraud protection, while still enjoying the tap-and-go convenience. Here's something many people don't realize. When you pay with a mobile wallet, your actual card number is never shared with the store. Instead, the app generates a unique, one-time code for each transaction. So even if the store system is hacked, your real card details remain protected. This is where debit and credit cards differ sharply. If a fraudster gets hold of your debit card, the money vanishes from your bank account instantly. You're left waiting for the bank to investigate and refund it, and that process can take days. With a credit card, the story is completely different. Fraudulent charges are made against the bank's money, not yours. You report the issue, the bank investigates, and you're usually covered by zero liability protection. Your own cash never leaves your account. Think of it this way. With a debit card, fraud drains your real money first, and you're left waiting to get it back. With a credit card, fraud hits the bank's money instead, and you're protected right away. That difference makes a big impact in everyday life. Here's something that surprises many people. Using a debit card has no impact on your credit score. But when you use a credit card responsibly, paying on time and keeping balances low, you build a strong credit history. And that history matters when it comes time to apply for a home loan or car loan. One of the smartest reasons to use a credit card? Rewards. Every time you pay with certain cards, you can earn cashback, points, or air miles, perks that debit cards rarely provide. So if you're going to spend the money anyway, why not get something back? Here's a fascinating truth about human behavior. Paying with a debit card often feels more painful because you see your money leave instantly. Credit cards, by contrast, create a disconnect. Spending feels easier, which is exactly why overspending becomes so tempting. This isn't about willpower, it's simply how our brains are wired. Knowing this helps you make smarter choices. Use a credit card, but treat it like a debit card. Only spend what you already have in your account. Here's the smartest tip of all. Don't limit yourself to just one card, use both strategically. Think of it as a hybrid mode. The idea is simple. Use each card where it gives you the greatest advantage. Use your debit card for everyday small purchases, groceries, coffee, or your daily commute. These routine expenses are predictable, and paying with debit card helps you stay on budget effortlessly. Switch to your credit card for bigger purchases, online shopping, travel bookings, or anything where rewards and fraud protection matter most. In these cases, the credit card truly works for you, delivering both security and valuable benefits at the same time. The golden rule of hybrid mode. When you use your credit card, only spend what you can afford to pay off in full that same month. Never carry a balance if you can avoid it. That's where many people slip up and end up paying high interest, Stick to this rule and you'll enjoy all the rewards and protection of credit cards with zero interest charges. Let's do a quick recap. Your debit card is the everyday budget companion. It keeps you grounded and disciplined with predictable spending. Your credit card, on the other hand, is the smart tool for bigger moments, offering protection, rewards, and flexibility. Used together, they form a powerful strategy that covers all your needs without the common pitfalls of relying on just one. There's no single right answer for everyone. The smartest move is knowing your cards and choosing the right one at the right moment. Debit gives you discipline, credit gives you protection and rewards, and above all, spend within your means. Master this balance and you'll be using your cards not just wisely, but powerfully.